Air temps dropping pretty sharply tonight, 37 in Thurmont, 33 in Westminster. Cold numbers, dry conditions, very dry air, cools off very efficiently through the overnight hours. So we will have one more crisp, chilly start tomorrow morning, but by midday you won't recognize the temperature pattern. We're going to really warm things up. I think we'll be relatively clear and sunny early in the day, and that sunshine will also help ramp up temperatures just a bit. A little bit of weather down south of us tomorrow. I think maybe some clouds will spin into the state by Saturday afternoon and evening, but not much. And I think all the rain will stay well south of us. And by the way, that cloud cover short-lived because we're back in clear skies into the day on Sunday when we're going to warm up even more. Talking about potentially the last gasp of winter here, way ahead of schedule. Take a look at Deep Creek Lake today. And look at the snow on the ground early in the day. Lower part of your screen goes away. It melts off out there, the snow on the ground in Garrett County, where they were warm today, very warm, well above freezing. And in Dundalk today, well into the 50s as well. It's a clear, cool night right now where you're at a statistical 5-degree plus over the normal today, but understand that we'll rapidly build on that into the day tomorrow. 31 right now. We're below freezing at BWI. Again, it will be one more cold night to deal with, one more cold start tomorrow morning as those air temps drop pretty sharply through the morning hours here. But look how fast things are going to ramp up. I mean, big time into the upper 50s by noon tomorrow, into the mid 60s by the afternoon. And the humidity comes up as well. So we will not see a sharp drop off tomorrow night. Tomorrow night will not be as cold as tonight is. Mid-upper 60s tomorrow. We'll build on that with a warmer start on Sunday, pushing 70 degrees. How's that? Not quite record-breaking, but it will be close. Still a chill over the mid-Atlantic and New England for the moment, but that does change rapidly.